In this video, you will discover how to search for a specific coupon in the coupons list. There are two types available: coupon name and coupon number. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Scroll down to the Price Settings area and click on the Coupons field to navigate to the Coupons page. First of all, I will demonstrate how to search for a specific coupon by using coupon name. Let's start with the full text method. Success. Partial text. Success again. Next, let's search by using the coupon number. To obtain a coupon number, click on the Edit button or View Codes button, depending on the type of the coupon, to go to the Coupon Details page. Here, utilize the final segment of the coupon URL. Let's paste it into the search bar. Full text. It works. And partial text. Congratulations! We've successfully executed coupon searches using two distinct methods. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.